रोड टॅक्स 50% कमी केल्ल्यान राज्याचो महसूल देंवतलो अशें कांय जाण म्हणटात. ते फट आसा अशें मंत्री मविन गुदिनो हांणी उलोवन दाखयले. गेल्या 2 दिसांक गाडयांची विक्री 70% वाडल्या आनी फुडल्या 2 ते 3 दिसांक विक्री दुपेटीन वाडटली अशें तांणी मुखार सांगलां.
रोड टॅक्स जर 50% कट केला पळय तर कितली गाडी रजिस्टर जातली अशी दिसता टिल डिसेंबर तुम्ही ते 3
I don't have the figures, but what I understand
people will get benefit.
listen. See, there was a hue and cry saying that the state will lose revenue. That was the main thing. But from what figures I have as at present, except last 2 days, there is an increase of already 70% extra sale. And with yesterday, day before yesterday, and perhaps today, it will be double the vehicles. So at least because road tax has been lowered, double sale has been there, no? So you have made up for your loss in revenue. Otherwise, there would have been no sale at all. You take the statistics of the previous 4 months, it was minus, and now it is 100% more or 70% more already. So you can understand from that. Figures will speak. I don't have the figures, so I don't want to say more about this. I will come with facts and figures, even on that argument.
So coming